The Civil Aviation Authority of San Salvador recommends that any passenger who presents symptoms such as headache, followed by intense weakness, muscle pain, vomiting, and diarrhea, must immediately fly with the cabin crew for assistance.
Tripulación próximos a aterrizar.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Para el aterrizaje, verifique que el cinturón de seguridad sea abrochado y ajustado, el respaldo de su asiento en posición vertical, el equipaje de mano guardado y asegurado, la persiana de la ventanilla abierta, la mesa individual asegurada en modo avión. Por su